Do you ever have this problem when you're using your weed eater? You get way too much string coming out. The most common complaint I get from viewers is that they have this problem with their weed eater. Super easy fix. Let me show you how to do it. On the Dewalt here, it's the most common problem here. I'm going to take this apart, so just flip it around and you can see these tabs here. You're going to press those in to take the cap off. And you press them in and pull up on this, and that'll take this cap off. And the most common cause for this problem with the string coming out is that there's no spring in here. There should be a spring between this and this, and you can see that we don't have a spring. Here's the spring that should be in there. So potentially your spring came out, broke, or is not springy enough anymore. And if it's pretty tight like that, then it's good. But you need to find this spring or buy a replacement. Many of these are sold on Amazon or Walmart or Lowe's, Home Depot. I'll put a link in the video or in the description field for the replacement springs when I can find them. Because first I'll show you how to put the spring in. You just take that end and push it in there until it snaps over that cap there. So I'm going to take the string out here. And I've got the spring put in place. I'm just going to put this back in and then show you what's the cause of it, why that matters. Now with the spring in place, you can see that it's springy as I press in there. And when you're using this normally, the thing's spinning, you tap it on the ground, this gets depressed, some string comes out briefly, and then it extends again. But without that spring in there, this can be permanently sucked up like that, so the string always wants to come out. By putting a new spring in there, that keeps the string locked in place until you tap it and have some extend. All right, it's functioning like it should. The tap feature works like it should. It really is pretty easy. If you need some tips on how to restring this thing, I'll post a link above on how to do that. Otherwise, appreciate a like and a subscribe, and thanks for watching.